I'm Ted Troughton, Managing Director of the Salvation Army Thrift Stores National Recycling Operations. Here at the Salvation Army Thrift Stores, we are more than just a store. We're a community, and that's why we're thrilled that our thrift stores and donor welcome centers across Canada are back and open to serve you, our valued guests and donors. We know that affordable clothing and household items are needed more than ever as we all work to rebuild from the financial impact of the COVID-19 crisis. Whether you're a longtime thrift store guest or you're shopping with us for the first time, we're here for you. We want you to feel safe in every interaction you have with us, so we've taken extra precaution in accordance with health and safety guidelines. As always, our paramount priority is the well-being of our shared communities, including our guests, donors, volunteers, and our amazing staff. In addition to our regular health and safety protocols, we made some changes in our stores to ensure your safety. We're using a single point of entry and exit, providing touchless hand sanitizer to be used when entering and exiting the store, and limiting the number of people allowed in the store at one time. We're ensuring that our staff use proper personal protective equipment, including masks, goggles, and face shields. We're wiping down trolleys before and after each use as part of our regular and ongoing sanitization of the store. We're ensuring that physical distancing measures are easy to follow in store and have added tools like navigational floor stickers to help guide you. At checkout, we have installed plexiglass barriers and are encouraging guests to pay with tap-enabled debit and credit cards. When PIN cards are used, we are being careful to wipe them down after each use. We've temporarily closed our fitting rooms and washrooms, but are allowing exchanges of clothing. Exchanges and donations of cloth items will be kept in quarantine until it is safe to put them out on the sales floor. All other items are sanitized thoroughly by our team. We're also temporarily not accepting large furniture donations or non-perishable food items. Our staff are working hard each and every day to provide a safe and welcoming shopping and donating experience during these exceptional times. At the Salvation Army Thrift Store, a shirt is more than just a shirt. It's an essential item for someone living in poverty, a way to support local programs and services like food banks and homeless shelters, and a key part of environmental sustainability. Donating and shopping thrift helps extend the life cycle of usable goods. Last year alone, we diverted over 39,000 metric tons from the landfill. As a division of the Salvation Army, the largest non-governmental provider of social services in the country, we're proud to serve all members of our shared communities through our thrift stores. Thanks to your ongoing support, we are helping Canadians rebuild stronger than ever after COVID-19. We're all in this together, and we can't wait to see you.